A round cake? Oh, please, we can do better than that. Cut out a shape, like so, and add a fondant hat. And maybe a few more final touches. Look, it's me, Mario! But we're not finished yet. Mario's ready to get his groove on. Look at all this candy. Wow, an ice bear. I wonder if he knows any polar bears. It's bath time. Add some tapioca pearls and a nice splash of milk. Now it's time for the rinse cycle. It's tea time. Iced tea time. Chocolate. Whoa, you're breaking out. Oh, that gives me an idea. Fill a jelly candy with cream. And cover it up with fondant or marzipan. Now give your candy zit a good squeeze. You can use different colors for the fillings. And squeezing them sure is fun.
Wow!
But the real fun's in eating them. Oh, look, it's our friend, the candy unicorn. Fill him up with candy. He's part piñata. And press that tail when you want your candy back. Now let's try it out with chocolate. Looks like we're doing it fondue style. Oh, we've got chocolate-covered candies! You can practically taste the magic! Wow, look at all that cotton candy! Just add water and you win a prize. It's a micro cooler. Fill up the tank. Put it all together and pour yourself a drink.
Wow!
When it comes to this girl and lollipops, she likes to go big or go home. So let's melt up some caramel candies. And pour it up inside this mold. Quick, add a stick before it dries.
Wow!
You know, that flat side could come in handy. Remember, all the cool lollipops have wrappers. Next up, it's time to try some chewing foam. First, let's see how it tastes. Now let's get to chewing and blowing. Guess somebody burst their bubble. Oh, Freddy's seen better days. So has this waffle cone. Let's dip it in chocolate and put the cone back together. Now add some more chocolate. But what else can we add to it? Crumble up some cookies and give it a good roll. You know, with the right touches, it can be a witch's hat. Either way, what's a cone without ice cream? Wow, edible paper! And we've got edible ink, too! Well, what you waiting for? Let's get sketching. I wonder what she's drawing. Ooh, a burger! With all the toppings.
Wow!
On second thought, maybe we should call it a flatbread.